Start of the second game. First five ng both teams. Pasok na po. Come to the end.
Yung tawag ko lang, balik ka rin.
Both teams, proper tacking po tayo. Pakiayos sa mga tacking, both teams. Thank you so much.
Gusto mga brother.
Any accessories, earrings, pakitanggal na po. Accessories, earrings, proper tackings, pakitanggal po, pakiayos yung tacking. Thank you so much po. Big CS boys, got the ball. Number 68. Oh, good. Saki. Huertas dribbling down the ball. Back to Saki. Saki to Halili. Halili! 3-pointer is good! Halili! The clock! Ray! Villarreal. To Castro, no good. Number 5 got the rebound. Fernandez. To Villarreal again. Villarreal. To Fernandez. Fernandez. To Villarreal. To Castillo. Castillo long 3-pointers. Good. Castillo. Hooray. Saki. To Halili. Back to Saki. Saki to Halili again. Halili, 3-pointer again. No good. Castillo got the rebound. Castillo to Villarreal. Villarreal dribbling. To Fernandez. Corner 3 is good. Fernandez. 3-point lead for Big CS boys. Huertas dribbling. Huertas jumper. No good. Castillo got the rebound. Castillo to Villarreal. Open lane to Castro. 2 points for Castro. Saki, dribbling on the ball. Saki to Salvacion. Salvacion fake. Salvacions to Saki back. Saki to Huertas. Huertas, wide 3-pointer. No good. Villarreal dribbling. Villarreal to Castillo. 2 points, Castillo. Fast first, Villarreal. Halili to Saki. Saki. 10 seconds to shoot. Saki to Huertas. Huertas, 3-pointer again. Huertas, 3. 4-point lead for BCS boys. Villarreal being defended by Huertas. Villarreal to Castillo. Castillo, 3-pointer. No good. Big CS boys. Marquis ball. Halili back to Saki. Saki dribbling down the ball. Saki. Deep pass. Castillo to Castro. Couldn't get the ball. Marquis ball. Saki dribbling. Huh? Saki to Huertas. Huertas all alone. Dishes it through. 3 points. Huertas. 1-point lead for BTS boys. Villarreal dribbling. Villarreal to Bautista. Got fouled. Foul number 33. First personal foul. First team foul. First free throw is good for Bautista. Second free throw no good for Bautista. Salvacion got the rebound. Pass to Saki. Saki dribbling down the ball. Saki to Halili. Halili to Salvacion. Salvacion to Halili. Halili to Huertas. 10 seconds to shoot. Huertas dribbling. Huertas to Halili. Halili three-pointer is good. Halili 3. Marquis got their first lead by 1 point. Villarreal attacks, lays 2 points. Halili running. Halili being defended by Villarreal to Salvacion. Salvacion to Lizardo. Lizardo floater. No good. Fernandez got the rebound. Fernandez to Castillo. 1v2 situation. Castillo 2 points. Reverse lay is good. 3-point lead for PCS boys. Saki being defended by Villarreal. Steal by Villarreal. Villarreal. Same ball. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Villarreal. Attacking. Kick out to Fernandez. Fernandez fakes to Castillo. Castillo corner 3. No good. Villarreal got the rebound. Fakes to Castillo. Great pass. Castillo 2 points with the foul. Foul number 33. Second personal foul. Second team foul. Change 5. Bonus free throw for Castillo. Bonus free throw is good for Castillo. Change 5. Ulanday dribbling down the ball. Ulanday to Saludes. Saludes, 3-pointer is good. Saludes, 3. 3-point lead for Big CS boys. Arzapanta to Verdadero. Back to Arzapanta. To Verdadero again. To Arzapanta again. 10 seconds to shoot. To Bisesio. Bisesio, 3-pointer. No good. Correction, Espinosa. Saludes to Ulanday. Jumper is good. Ulanday, 2 points. Pareho si Nani. Bravo. Arzapanta. To Verdadero. Verdadero attacking. Kick out to Espinosa to Robin Zapata. Steal by Saludes to Ulanday. 1v1 situation. Ulanday. 2-point lay is good. Ang tapang. 1-point lead for Marquis. Verdadero. Being defended by Ulanday. Kick out to Espinosa to M. Zapata. To Verdadero again. Verdadero. 2 points. Ulanday to Castillo. Back to Ulanday. Ulanday from downtown is good. 3 points. Zapata to Espinosa. Back to Robin Zapata to Verdadero. Verdadero got fouled. Foul number 13. First personal foul. Saulo. Verdadero to Bisesio. Deep pass. 7 seconds on the shot clock. Verdadero to Robin Zapata to M. Zapata. Fakes. M. Zapata jumper. No good. Marquis ball. Landay to Ezekiel. Ezekiel, kick out to Saludes. Corner 3. No good. Ezekiel got the rebound again. Ezekiel breaks. Ezekiel got fouled. Foul number 10. First personal foul number 10. Second team foul. 2 free throws for Ezekiel. First free throw no good for Ezekiel. Second free throw no good for Ezekiel. Robin Zapanta. Parang si Ray John Rondo. Ezekiel, dribbling. Ezekiel to Saludes. Saludes, 3-pointer again. No good. Espinosa got the ball to Robin Zapanta. 2v1. Robin Zapanta, 2 points. Ulanday, dribbling the ball. Ulanday, 3-pointer. No good. BCS boys ball. Steal by Saludes. Saludes. Fake. Saludes spin. Saludes. No good. Ezekiel got the rebound. No good again. Ezekiel again. Ezekiel got fouled. Foul number 29. First personal foul. Third team foul. 2 free throws for Ezekiel. First free throw is good for Ezekiel. Second free throw is good for Ezekiel. 2-point lead for Marquis Verdadero. To Vicencio. Vicencio being defended by Saicon. Vicencio to M. Zapata. Back to Verdadero. 10 seconds to shoot. Verdadero to M. Zapata. To Vicencio. Vicencio no good. Ezekiel got the rebound. Pass to Ulanday. Ulanday running. Ulanday attacking. Ulanday layup. No good. Foul number 23. Robin Zapanta to Espinosa. Espinosa, 3-pointer. No good. Saludes got the ball. Saludes dribbling. Saludes to Castillo. Castillo, 3-pointer, wide open. It's good. Castillo, 3 points. Verdadero. Spins. Verdadero, jumper. No good. Marquis ball. Landay, dribbling down the ball. Landay to Ezekiel. 14 seconds to shoot. Jumper, Landay. No good. Vicencio got the rebound. 20 seconds. Espinosa, jumper. No good. Verdadero got the rebound. Verdadero, second chance opportunity is good. 10 seconds. Landay to Ezekiel. 5 seconds. Ezekiel, step back 3. It was good. Hey! Tinamaan ng ligaw na bala si Robin Zapata.
Kawalangin to.
Ayos lang. Kasi pagdating baka magkainin sila. Pwede mo rin pag hindi natin matawagan. Pero doon nakaraan. Nagkakasaran. Kasi bandang muli, nagtipigan na. Oh.
Kain mo na.
to the ball game. Marquis ball. Start of the second quarter. Halili to Salvacion. Back to Halili. Foul number 68. Halili to Huertas. 14 seconds to shoot. Saki to Halili. Halili fakes. Halili to Huertas. 5 seconds to shoot. Huertas to Halili. Halili, three-pointer. No good. Lizardo. No good again. Big CS boys ball. Villarreal dribbling. Villarreal attacks. No good. Lizardo got the rebound. Lizardo to Saki. Saki attacking to Lizardo. Lizardo, no good. Fernandez to Villarreal. Back to Fernandez. Fernandez, three-pointer. No good. Villarreal got the rebound. 2 points for Villarreal. Huertas dribbling. Huertas being double teamed to Saki. Saki to Halili. Halili, three-pointer. No good. Castillo got the ball. Castillo attacking Castillo. Dishes it through. 2 points. Castillo. Huertas being defended by Villarreal. Huertas to Halili. Back to Huertas. Huertas to Saki. Saki attacking to Salvacion. Salvacion jumper. No good. Fernandez got the rebound. Pass to Villarreal. Villarreal. Open lane. Villarreal dumps it. 2 points for Villarreal. Huertas to Saki. Saki to Salvacion. Salvacion breaks. Salvacion. Traveling violation. Official score all 30. Villarreal to Cruz. Cruz reverse lays good. BCS boys got their second lead. 2-point lead for BCS boys. Saki being defended by Villarreal. Saki spins. Saki attacks. Saki 2 points is good. Villarreal to Fernandez. Great find. Fernandez 2 points. Assist by Villarreal. Saki to Huertas. Huertas. No good. Castillo got the rebound. Castillo to Fernandez. Fernandez again. 2 points. Assist by Castillo. 4-point lead for Big CS boys. Salvacion to Halili. Halili. Dribbling. Halili to Salvacion. 14 seconds to shoot. Salvacion back to Halili. 10 seconds to shoot. Halili no good. Timeout, Marquis. Our official score is 36-32. 4-point lead for Big CS boys. Time remaining 6 minutes and 39 seconds. Boy. Villarreal. 2. Number 38. Back to Villarreal. Pass to Don. Don! 3-pointer is good. Saki to Halili. Halili to Lizardo. Back to Halili. Halili fakes. Halili, 3-pointer. No good. Castillo got the rebound. Castillo to Fernandez. Fernandez. Easy 2 points. Halili to Huertas. Back to Halili. Halili to Saki. Saki. Lizardo. Lizardo. Got fouled. Foul number 30. First personal foul, number 30. Second team foul. First free throw, no good for Lizardo. Second free throw is good for Lizardo. Villarreal surveying the D. Villarreal attacking, spins, lay, 2 points, Villarreal. Saki attack, Saki floater, no good. Fernandez to Villarreal again, Villarreal pass to Fernandez. Fernandez to Castillo, Castillo from downtown, 3 is good, Castillo. Change 5. What a great game by Castillo and Villarreal. Official score is 46-33. Time remaining 5 minutes and 19 seconds. Ulanday, their point guard, pass to Ezequiel. Ezequiel, back to Ulanday. Ulanday, dribbling. Ulanday, floater is good, 2 points. 11-point lead for BCS boys. Robin Zapata dribbling down the ball. Pass to M. Zapata. To Espinosa. Espinosa to Verdadero. Verdadero to M. Zapata. 10 seconds to shoot. Vicencio being defended by Saicon. Vicencio to M. Zapata. 3 seconds. Espinosa corner. 3. No good. Salutes got the rebound. Still. Espinosa to Verdadero. Jumper is good for Verdadero. 2 points. Ezequiel to Landay. Landay to Salutes. Salutes! 3-pointer is good. Salutes, 3 points. Zapanta. To Espinosa. To Vicencio. Vicencio, no good. Saicon got the rebound. Pass to Salutes. Salutes to Ulanday. Ulanday, jumper again. No good. Robin Zapata got the rebound. Robin Zapata to Vicencio. Being defended by Ezequiel. Foul. Foul number 30. Second personal foul number 30. 14 seconds on the shot clock. M. Zapata to Verdadero. Verdadero to Espinosa. Back to Verdadero. Verdadero to Espinosa again. To M. Zapata. 5 seconds to shoot. M. Zapata 3-pointer. No good. Saicon got the rebound. Salutes to Ezequiel. 10-point lead for Big S boys. Landay to Salutes. Salutes 3-pointer again. No good. Robin Zapata got the rebound. Robin Zapata to Verdadero. Verdadero to Robin Zapata. Robin Zapata attacking to Espinosa to Verdadero. Verdadero jumper is good for Verdadero. 2 points. Ezequiel being defended by Robin Zapata. 14 seconds to shoot to Landay. 10 seconds to shoot to Landay to Saicon. Lose the ball, but Salutes got the rebound. Saicon got the rebound again. To Ezekiel, 2 seconds. Shot clock violation. Robin Zapata. Bring down the ball. Pass to Espinosa. To Verdadero. To Espinosa again. To Vicencio. To Espinosa again. To Verdadero. 10 seconds to shoot. Verdadero attacks. Verdadero no good but got fouled. Foul number 23. Second personal foul number 23. Second team foul. 2 free throws for Verdadero. First free throw no good for Verdadero. Second free throw no good for Verdadero. Saludes to Olanday. Olanday being defended by Robin Zapata. Pass to Ezekiel. Ezekiel to Saicon. Back to Ezekiel. 14 seconds to shoot to Olanday. Olanday fakes. Olanday jumper. No good. Saicon got the rebound. Saicon boarding no good. Verdadero to Espinosa. Espinosa, 3-pointer. No good. Vicencio got the rebound to Zapata. Zapata, 2 points. 14-point lead for BCS boys. Ulanday to Ezekiel. Ezekiel fakes. Ezekiel attacking. Pass to Castillo. Castillo board ring is good. 12-point lead for BCS boys. Robin Zapata to Espinosa. Espinosa, 3-pointer again. It's good. 3 by Espinosa. 15-point lead for BCS boys. Ulanday to Ezekiel. Back to Ulanday. 14 seconds to shoot. Ulanday, jumper again. No good. Castillo got the ball. Castillo, 3-pointer is good. Castillo, 3. Verdadero, being defended by Ulanday. Steal by Ulanday. Ulanday attacks. Ulanday, layup, 2 points is good with the foul. Foul number 10. Second personal foul. Second team foul. Bonus free throw for Ulanday. Bonus free throw is good for Ulanday. 9-point lead for Big CS boys. Zapata to M. Zapata to Espinosa to Vicencio. Back to Espinosa. Steal by Saicon. Saicon to Saludes. 30 seconds. Saludes to Saicon. Saicon! First basket, 2 points is good. 20 seconds. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. Steal by Ulanday. 3-point no good. End of the first half. second half. Villarreal attacking. Pass to Bautista. To Castro. Steal by Olanday. Halili. To Olanday. Olanday. To Lizardo. Lizardo got blocked. Castillo steal by Saludes. Saludes to Lizardo. 2v1. Lizardo on the paint got fouled. Foul number 30. Second personal foul for number 30. First team foul. First free throw is good for Lizardo. Second free throw is good for Lizardo. Villarreal to Cruz. Cruz back to Villarreal. 10 seconds to shoot. Castillo fakes. Castillo attacks. Castillo floater. No good. Halili got the ball. Marquis ball. Saki to Saludes. Saludes no good. Castillo got the ball. Castillo to Villarreal. Villarreal being defended by Saludes. Villarreal steal by Saludes. Saludes to Ulanday. Ulanday dribbling. 3v1. Ulanday layup is good. 2 points for Ulanday. 3-point lead for Big CS Boys. Castillo attacking. Castillo no good. Same ball. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Castillo to Bautista to Cruz. Cruz, corner. No good. Same ball. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Villarreal to Castro. Castro to Cruz. Cruz fakes, Cruz attack, Cruz floater. No goods. Lizardo got the rebound. Ulanday running. Ulanday surveying the D. Ulanday jumper is good. Ulanday 2 points. 1 point lead for Big CS Boys. Our official score is 55-54. Villarreal overturned.
Sub daw, sub.
Saki dribbling to Saludes. Saludes to Lizardo. Lizardo attacking on the paint. Loose ball. Halili got the ball. Ulanday. 3-pointer is good. Ulanday. 2-point lead for Marquis. Hot hands by Ulanday. Castillo answers back. No good. Lizardo got the rebound. Pass to Saludes. To Ulanday. Ulanday being defended by Villarreal. Ulanday running. Ulanday stop. Shot is good. Ulanday again. 2 points. Timeout. Big CS Boys. Ulanday with a takeover. Activated this badge. 4-point lead for Marquis. Back to the ball game. Villarreal dribbling to the ball. Villarreal attacks. Villarreal yo-yo move again. 2 points. Lay. Ulanday to Saki. Saki. Saki to Saludes. Saludes, 3-pointer. No good. Lizardo got the rebound. Kick out to Saludes. 10 seconds to shoot. Ulanday, 3-pointer. No good. Villarreal got the rebound. Villarreal running. Villarreal spins. Villarreal attack. Villarreal 2 points with a foul. Foul number 27. First personal foul number 27. Bonus free throw for Villarreal. Bonus free throw is good for Villarreal. Big CS boys got the lead by 1 point. Our official score is 60-59 with time remaining 5 minutes and 46 seconds. Saludes to Ulanday. Ulanday being defended by Villarreal. Ulanday to Saludes. Time to shoot. Saludes back to Ulanday. Ulanday being defended by Fernandez. Kick out to Lizardo. 2 points. Great find by Ulanday. Villarreal being defended by Halili. 14 seconds to shoot. Castillo from downtown, no good. Halili got the rebound to Ezequiel. Ezequiel to Halili. Halili to Ulanday. 14 seconds to shoot. Ulanday to Ezequiel. Ezequiel from downtown, no good. Fernandez got the rebound. Villarreal dribbling on the ball. Villarreal floater is good. 2 points. 1 point lead again for Big CS boys. Ulanday to Saludes. Saludes being defended by Fernandez. Back to Ulanday. Ulanday to Halili. Halili 3-pointer. Out of bounds. Substitution. Robin Zapata back to Villarreal. Villarreal being defended by Lili. Villarreal attacking. Finds Castillo. Castillo jumper. No good. Ulanday got the rebound. Ulanday dribbling. Ulanday jumper again. Ulanday 2 points. Mid-range maestro. Ulanday 2 points. Castillo being defended by Ulanday. Castillo dribbling. Castillo 3-pointer is good. Castillo 3. Ezequiel to Halili. Halili back to Ezequiel. To Ulanday. 14 seconds to shoot. Ulanday. 3-pointer is good. 3. Ulanday. Marcus got the lead again by 1 point. Hot hands by Ulanday. Villarreal to Robin Zapata. Fakes. Zapata. Kick out to Fernandez. 3-pointer. Fernandez is good. Answers back. Ezequiel to Ulanday. Back to Ezequiel. Ezequiel spins. Ezequiel attacks to Lizardo. Lizardo 2 points. Tie game. All 68. Our official score. Time remaining 2 minutes and 58 seconds. Villarreal being defended by Ulanday. Kick out to Castillo. Castillo fakes. Castillo attacks. Castillo 1-2. Floater. No good. Lizardo got the rebound. Gives to Ezequiel. Ezequiel to Saludes. Saludes, 3-pointer. No good. Lizardo got the rebound. Lizardo versus Pasesio. Kick out to Halili. Halili Miti is good for Halili. 2 points. 2-point lead for Marquis. Official score is 70-68. Villarreal surveying the D. Villarreal. Jumper, floater is good. 2 points for Villarreal again. Ezequiel to Ulanday. Ulanday surveying the 3. Fakes. Ulanday. Back to Ezequiel. 14 seconds to shoot. Ezequiel to Lizardo. 10 seconds to shoot. Lizardo to Ezequiel again. Ezequiel attacking. Bumps. Fakes. Ezequiel fakes. Shot. And got fouled by by Vicencio. Vicencio, number 29, 2. Second personal foul. Second team foul. 2 free throws for Ezekiel. First free throw is good for Ezekiel. Just like Luka Doncic. What a fake. Second free throw is good. Ezekiel. Substitution. Salvacion in. Halili out. 2-point lead for Marquis. Both teams are changing the lead. Villarreal to Castillo. Castillo, no good. Foul number 30. Vicencio to Fernandez to Castillo. Castillo fakes back to Fernandez. Fernandez from 3, no good. Same ball. "14 seconds on the shot clock. Robin Zapata got the ball. Kobe! No good. Lizardo got the rebound. Lizardo to Salvacion. Salvacion back to Lizardo. Lizardo got fouled. Foul number 29. Third personal foul number 29. Third team foul. Salvacion to Ezekiel. Ezekiel fakes. Ezekiel attacks. Ezekiel. 2 points for Ezekiel. Mismatch. 4-point lead for Marquis. Time remaining 1 minute and 5 seconds. Villarreal. 2 points for Villarreal. Ulanday. To Ezekiel. Ezekiel to Ulanday. Ulanday. Loose ball. Fernandez get the ball. Fernandez to Villarreal. Ali to Vicencio. 2 points for Vicencio. Tie game. Our official score is all 74. 35 seconds. Salute, three-pointer. No good. Vicencio got the rebound. 30 seconds. Steal by Ulanday. Ezekiel all alone. No good. 20 seconds. Robin Zapata, 2 points. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. Castillo from the logo, no good. End of the third quarter. 2-point lead for Big Yes boys. We are approaching the final quarter.
Saan tayo? Dito kanina, di ba? Dito lang.
Our next game, Pook Loading versus Pinasia Warriors. Kahamster! Shout out sa'yo. Start of the final quarter. Saludes. To Lizardo. To Saki. Saki dribbling. Saki to Ezekiel. Ezekiel is preparing the D. Ezekiel dribbling. 10 seconds to shoot. Ezekiel kick out to Saki. Lizardo got blocked. Villarreal all alone. Villarreal. 2 points by Villarreal. Ezequiel. Ezequiel versus Vicencio. Ezequiel, 2 points. Bump, bump. 2-point lead for Big CS boys. Villarreal to Robin Zapata. Robin Zapata, 3-pointer all alone. No good. Saki got the rebound. 2v2 situation. Saki to Saludes. Saludes, 2 points. Tie game. Our official score is all 78. Robin Zapata to Villarreal to Vicencio. Vicencio, babawi. Vicencio versus Ezequiel. Vicencio, loose ball. Marquis ball. Bam bam. Saki. Surveying the D. To Saludes. Saludes. To Olanday. 14 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Ezequiel and Vicencio on the post. Ezequiel jumper. No good. Robin Zapata got the rebound. Villarreal dribbling. Villarreal attacks. Villarreal. No good, but got fouled. Foul number 27. Second personal foul. First team foul. 2 shots for Villarreal. First free throw is good for Villarreal. Second free throw good for Villarreal. Saludes got the rebound. Ulanday running. Ulanday to Saludes. Saludes to Saki. Saki all alone. 3-pointer is good. Sam Sulik Green. 2-point lead for Marquis. Espinosa has his back to lead. 1-point lead for Big CS boys. Saki surveying the deal. Saki to Ezequiel. Ezequiel to Lizardo. Lizardo makes. Lizardo on the paint. Lizardo no good. Espinosa got the rebound. Espinosa to Verdadero. Verdadero to Espinosa. Espinosa to Verdadero to Robin Zapata. Robin Zapata, 2 points. Time out. Marquis. Back to the ball game. Landay dribbling. Landay to Saki. Saki. No good. Big CS boys ball. Villarreal. Villarreal kick out to Espinosa. Espinosa. 3-pointer. Espinosa. 3. Ezequiel being defended by Villarreal. Ezequiel. Lay no good. Ezequiel got the rebound. Saludes. 3-pointer. No good. Espinosa to Vicencio. Foul number 3. Substitution. Halili in. Saki out. Substitution. Salvacion in. Ezequiel out. Villarreal. surveying the beat. Being defended by Halili. Villarreal. Alley-oop to Vicencio is good. 2 points. Ulanday to Halili. Halili to Salvacion. Salvacion, jumper. No good. Villarreal got the ball. Villarreal to Espinosa. 2 points for Vicencio. Substitution. Huertas in, Salvacion out. Lenday to Lizardo. Lizardo on the paint. Lizardo, 2 points for Lizardo. Eight-point lead for Big CS Boys. Villarreal spins. Foul number 6. First personal foul. Third team foul. Substitution. Castillo to Verdadero. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Back to Castillo. To Espinosa to Verdadero. 10 seconds to shoot. Verdadero. Midi. No good. Lizardo got the rebound. Traveling violation. Remaining time is 5 minutes and 3 seconds. Castillo to Robin Zapata. Robin Zapata, alley-oop to Vicencio, no good. Vicencio. What? Foul number 19. First personal foul. Warning for penalty, Marquez. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Zapata to Castillo. Castillo. Same ball. 8 seconds on the shot clock. Vicencio to Castillo. Castillo to Verdadero. 5 seconds. Verdadero is good. 2 points. 10-point lead again for Big CS Boys. Ulanday to Saludes. Saludes. Surveying the D. Saludes. 14 seconds to shoot. Saludes to Ulanday. 10 seconds to shoot. Ulanday to Saludes. Saludes. No good. Verdadero got the ball. Verdadero to Espinosa. Espinosa to Castillo. Castillo 3-pointer. Castillo got fouled. Foul number 12. First personal foul number 12. 3 free throws for Castillo. First free throw is good for Castillo. By the way, our next game is Bohawk Loting versus Pinasia Warriors. Kahamster. Second free throw no good for Castillo. Third free throw no good for Castillo. Third free throw is good for Castillo. Ulanday to Halili. Halili, 3-pointer is good. With a foul. Substitution. Ten-point lead. Castillo answers back, no good. Lisanto got the rebound. Ulanday. Dribbling. So Ezequiel. Ezequiel. Loose ball. Turn over. Vicencio to Verdadero. Verdadero midi. No good. Ezequiel got the rebound. Foul number 68. Second personal foul for number 68. First team foul. Ulanday dribbling. Ulanday attacking. Ulanday jumper. Kobe, no good. Saludes got the rebound. Saludes, no good. Big CS Boys ball. 9-point lead for Big CS Boys. Time remaining 3 minutes and 2 seconds. Villarreal. 14 seconds to shoot. Villarreal to Robin Zapata. Robin Zapata, 3-pointer. No good. Saludes got the rebound. Lizardo. Dribbling. Lizardo. Same ball. Seconds on the shot clock. Steal by Robin Zapata. To Castillo. Castillo tap the board, 2 points. Ezequiel to Lizardo. Lizardo versus possession. Lizardo, 2 points. Villarreal surveying the team. 14 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Last 2 minutes. Ulanday running. Ulanday. Layup, no good. Ulanday got the ball again. Ulanday to Saludes. Saludes wide open. 3-pointers. Good. Saludes, top of the key. 3 is good. Timeout. BZS Boys. 6-point lead for BZS Boys. Official score is 97-91. Ano? Back to the ball game. Villarreal attacking. Villarreal. Yo-yo move again, no good. Lizardo got the rebound. Pass to Saludes. Saludes attacking to Ulanday. 2 points. Ulanday. 5-point lead for Big CS Boys. 14 seconds to shoot. Castillo to Robin Zapata. 8 seconds to shoot. Zapata. 3. Ezequiel to Ulanday. Ulanday answers back. 3-pointer is good. Ulanday. 3. Zapata being double team. Pass to Castillo. 14 seconds to shoot. Villarreal attacks. No good. Got fouled. Foul number 3. Third personal foul. Penalty. 2 free throws for Villarreal. First free throw no good for Villarreal. Second free throw is good for Villarreal. 5-point lead for BCS Boys. Ezequiel to Halili. Halili, 3-pointer. No good. Castillo got the rebound. 30 seconds. 25 seconds. 20 seconds. Foul number 30, third personal foul. Second team foul. Time out, Marquis. 16 seconds. Time remaining. Official score is 101-96.
Basketball
16 seconds on the clock. Ulanday, tricycle. Back to Ulanday. Being defended by Villarreal. 10 seconds to shoot. Villarreal. To Saludes. Halili, corner three. No good. Ulanday got the rebound. Ulanday, 2 points. 2.7 seconds remaining. End of the ball game. Our final score is 101-98. Good game for both teams. But Big CS Boys got the W. Bago umuwi po ang both teams, pictures po muna tayo. Pictures. Thank you so much.
Akin lang.